tectonic plate is? A tectonic plate is part of land that we float on. Now, all of the land, we are on them. It's floating on the earth. And it can make trenches, volcanoes, and mountains. So, now we're gonna pretend that this is our volcano. So let's pour some of this a bit.
More. Until it explodes.
It's bubbling, or lava. It's just baking soda and
Come on,
brown
go.
stuff.
Go. There you go. There's your lava.
And now this is our volcano.
Well, make it
Kind of
overflow.
erupting. Yeah. Woo!
There you go.
This is the volcano. Let's put some more in. Yeah. Put all the vinegar we can.
Now there's the lava.
This is volcano at home. It's like the Mentos experiment, but without the Mentos. Let's put some more in there.
Okay. There you go. There goes the lava. Okay. So, in your opinion, how do this volcano help shape the earth?
Well, the lava turns into solid rock. And there's an example, like Hawaii. It's made out of tons of volcanic eruptions and turns into rock, and the grass probably grew on it, turned into dirt. And that's how it forms islands. Let's continue exploding this real quick.
All right. Well, it's a
Let's use
successful
all of it.
experiment.
Use up all of the volcano liquid, the powder, the volcanoes stuff.
Okay. Well, thanks for doing the experiment.
No problem. Bye.